Yep, you hold it yourself. Oh, see, sometimes it falls. Here you go. Mommy will give it back to you. Mommy will give it back to you. Which page do you want to go to? Oh, no. Oh, no. There you go. There you go. You're on the duck page. There it is. Do you like this book? Do you like this book? Are you gonna eat the book? There's the duck. It goes quack, quack. Are you gonna eat it? Yes, he is. That's okay. You're still learning, right? Yeah. Makes an interesting sound. Sure looks like you're reading, though. What are you discovering in Discovery Farm? Oh, no. There you go. There you go. You like that page, huh? With the sheep?